In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Robinhood Legend. Setting a stop loss is a crucial strategy for managing your investments, as it helps automate your risk management. So, let's make sure you're all set up. First, begin by navigating to the Robinhood website. Robinhood offers 24/5 commission-free stock trading and investing, making it accessible and appealing to those looking to maximize their investment activities. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Log In, which will prompt you to enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your account secure is key, so make sure your password is strong and unique. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Robinhood homepage. This is your main hub, where you can keep track of your portfolio, check the latest market news, and more. From here, head over to the Robinhood Legend section. You can find this through the menu or by searching directly for Robinhood Legend on the platform. This area is specifically tailored for more advanced trading features, including setting a stop loss. Once you are in the Robinhood Legend dashboard, you'll want to locate and click on the Trade button. This will take you to the trading interface where you can execute trades on the platform. The trading interface is where you can put your trading strategies into action, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or manage your trades. Next, in the trading interface, pay attention to the options available for your trades. You'll see an option labeled Order Type. Click on Order Type to see the available choices for how you want your order to be executed. This is the step where you specify the type of order you're placing. For managing risk through stop loss, you'll want to select the stop limit option. This is a critical part of the process, as it dictates that your order will be activated when your specified stop price is hit, and an attempt made to fill the order at your limit price or better. Choosing stop limit allows you to define your stop loss more precisely. Setting a stop loss is essential in protecting yourself against significant losses, as it automatically sells your position when the market price reaches your stop price. Be sure to set your stop price according to your risk tolerance and investment strategy. By following these steps, you will have effectively set a stop loss on Robinhood Legend, giving yourself a safeguard in volatile market conditions. Remember, successful trading combines smart strategy with efficient tools. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.